Good news mga kababayan, patapos na po ang February at malapit na dumating ang March 31, 2025 kung saan Canada will start accepting home care worker immigration applicants. Nahati po ang applicants sa dalawa. Ito po yung Workers in Canada Stream tsaka applicants not working in Canada Stream. So sa March 31, 2025, uunahin po nilang tumanggap ng mga applications for Workers in Canada Stream, and then on a later date, i-announce nila kailan naman po yung applicants not working in Canada. So balikan natin yung requirements po. Unang-una, CLB Level 4 sa English. So madali lang. Kailangan po ng Canadian high school equivalent sa inaral. So yung mga nurses natin or yung mga high school graduate na caregiving course, may chance din tayo dito. Yung 6 months of recent or relevant work experience or related education, ayan, we have more clarity on that one now. Ulitin ko po, 6 months of recent and relevant work experience or related caregiving training. Tapos yung full-time job offer po, it's more flexible now because apart from private households, pwede rin po na mag-hire yung mga organizations that hire full-time workers para mag-provide ng mga short-term or occasional care. Ito po yung mga home health care service providers or mga care support service providers. Pero hindi po pwedeng galing recruitment or placement agency ang job offer ninyo. So good luck mga kababayan. Ito po si Kuya Mikmik, ang inyong immigration consultant. Please follow us for more.